We're taking a journey to the heart of Mexico City, to a remarkable architectural project in the charming neighborhood of San Angel. This isn't your typical renovation. It's a story of exquisite balance, where the past and present come together in perfect harmony. San Angel is known for its colonial-style haciendas, sprawling houses with central courtyards that evoke a bygone era. This particular house held a special essence, a true embodiment of that traditional spirit. The challenge for the architects? To preserve this precious character while breathing new life into the space, seamlessly integrating modern touches. The key lies in the materials. Wood, flattened whitewash, volcanic stone, a symphony of textures that whispers history. Glass walls play a starring role, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Vegetation becomes a vital element, not just decoration. It serves as a visual bridge, creating a conversation between the old and the new. Descend onto the ground floor, and you'll be greeted by a light-filled living and dining area. Picture this, expansive windows showcasing the lush garden and central courtyard. Walls seem to vanish, replaced by an embrace of fresh air and natural light. It's a space designed for connection, where the boundaries between interior and exterior dissolve. Surrounding the central courtyard, a haven of tranquility, lie the heart of daily life, the game room, studio, family room, kitchen, and laundry. Each space enjoys direct access and stunning views of the courtyard, fostering a sense of openness and togetherness. Ascend the stairs, and a more intimate atmosphere awaits. 3 luxurious bedrooms grace the first level, each boasting an ensuite bathroom, a dressing room, and a private terrace. Here, tranquility reigns supreme, a perfect haven to unwind and recharge. Venture down to the basement floor, and you'll discover a world dedicated to functionality. 8 spacious parking spots accommodate a fleet of vehicles. 2 service rooms ensure the smooth running of the household, while a dedicated security booth provides peace of mind. Note how the service areas are cleverly separated from the main living spaces, ensuring privacy and seamless operation. The San Angel Sanctuary is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It demonstrates how tradition and modernity can coexist in perfect harmony. This house isn't just a structure, it's a conversation between eras, a place where history whispers and the future unfolds. Thank you for joining us on this architectural adventure. If you're a fan of design that respects the past while embracing the future, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content like this.